Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select the route computing options, either fastest, shortest or economic route on the Sygic GPS application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on this menu icon that can be found in the upper left corner of the screen. And then click on this settings button in the left side column, which is the third option. And now click on route planning and navigation at the top in the general section. Click on route computing, which is the first one at the top of the screen. And as you can see, you have three options to choose from: fastest, shortest or economic route. So click on the relevant one. And as you can see, a checkmark icon appears on the right side of the screen, meaning that this option has been selected. So feel free to change it anytime by tapping on the other one, and then just simply tap on the back button at the top and it will be updated automatically. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.